Morning in the kitchen.
Mom, today I will help you in everything.
Everything? Are you sure?
Yes, I am the little chef today.
Oh, wow. So, what is your plan, little chef?
First, I will make breakfast.
Breakfast? That's a big job.
I can do it. I will make sweet bread toast.
Okay, but be careful with the stove.
Yes, Mom. Safety first. Mom, where is a frying pan?
It's in the bottom cupboard.
Cupboard, frying pan, spoon. I need everything. Mom, why is the pan so heavy?
Because it is made of iron.
Oh, strong pan, strong chef. Mom, please pass me the butter.
Here you go. Do you know how much to use?
A little bit, I think.
Yes, not too much, not too little.
Wow, it looks easy.
Cooking looks easy, but it needs patience.
I have patience, I think. Mom, is the toast ready?
Check the color. Is it golden?
Yes, golden brown.
Good job, Chef Lina.
I will make one more.
Okay, but watch the heat.
Heat on medium, like TV volume on medium. Mom, can you pass the sugar jar?
Here, don't drop it, it's glass.
I will be gentle. Done. 2 sweet toasts.
They look delicious.
Now we eat?
Yes, Chef, let's taste them.
Mom, it is a little bit salty.
Salt? Did you add salt?
Maybe a little.
Sweet toast with salt. Interesting.
Chef Lina will try again next time. Mom, cooking is hard.
Yes, dear, but you tried. That's important.
I will help you more, but maybe you cook, I eat.
Washing dishes.
Mom, I will wash all the dishes today.
All the dishes? Are you sure?
Yes, I promise to help the whole day. Mom, which soap is for dishes?
The green bottle, near the sink.
Okay, and which sponge should I use?
Use the yellow sponge, it is soft.
Should I open the tap fully?
No, open it slowly.
Oops, too fast. Water is jumping everywhere.
Slow, slow, not a waterfall.
Mom, the bubbles are attacking me.
They're not attacking. Just mix them gently.
Look, so much foam.
That means you used too much soap.
Oh, I squeezed half the bottle.
Lina, we need soap for next week, too.
Sorry, I thought more soap means more clean. Mom, this plate is so slippery.
Hold it tight. Use both hands.
I'm trying. The plate is running away from me. Mom, how many plates do we have?
Many. We are a big family.
Eating food is easy. Washing plates is hard work. My fingers feel soft and funny.
That's soap.
Will my fingers melt?
No, silly girl.
Mom, what about these dirty cups?
Wash them too.
Why do cups have tea marks?
Because we drink tea every day.
From tomorrow, no tea, only juice.
Your grandpa will cry.
Mom, I washed 5 plates.
Good job.
How many more?
5 more.
5. I will need a holiday after this. Mom, look, this plate is shining.
Yes, you cleaned it well.
I think I am a dishwashing champion.
You are doing great.
Mom, I want a juice after this.
Okay, Chef Lina will get juice.
Chef Lina is tired, but strong.
Sweeping and mopping.
Mom, now I will sweep the floor.
That's a good idea. The kitchen floor is dusty.
Dust, dust, go away. Mom, where is the broom? It's behind the door. Why is it hiding there?
It's not hiding. That's where we keep it.
Okay, broom, come out. Mom, how do I start?
Sweep from the corners.
From the corners to the center?
Yes, like that.
Mom, the dust is flying everywhere.
Sweep gently, not too fast.
If I sweep slow, it takes time.
Housework takes time, dear.
I understand now. Mom, there is a small rice grain under the table.
Sweep it out.
I think it is running away from me.
It's not running. You are pushing it the wrong way.
Oh, now I got it. Mom, my arms are tired.
Take a small break.
No, little chef is also little cleaner. Okay, sweeping is done.
Now, we mop the floor.
Mop, with water?
Yes, bucket, water, and floor cleaner.
Mom, floor cleaner smells nice.
Yes, it keeps the floor fresh.
Can I pour it?
Just a little.
Oops, I think that was a lot.
Lina, you love a lot.
More smell, more clean. Mom, the floor looks shiny already.
You must mop every corner.
Corners are the hardest.
But you're doing well.
Mom, the floor is wet.
Yes, don't run. You might slip.
Okay, slow walking only. Mom, how long will it take to dry?
Maybe 10 minutes?
10 minutes is long.
You can rest during that time.
Mom, my back is hurting a little.
That's normal after cleaning.
Now I understand why you feel tired every day.
Yes, housework is not easy.
Respect for you, Mom. Mom, next time we hire a cleaner.
Why?
So I can just watch.
Nice try.
Laundry time.
Mom, what next?
Next is laundry.
Laundry means washing clothes, right?
Yes, washing, drying, and folding.
I will help in washing.
Okay, first collect dirty clothes.
Dirty clothes basket. Where are you?
It's near the bathroom.
Found it. Wow, it's heavy. Mom, why do we have so many clothes?
Because we wear clothes every day.
We should wear one dress for 2 days.
Then it will smell.
Oh no, thank you. Mom, which clothes go first?
Light-colored clothes first.
Why not dark ones?
Dark colors can mix.
Clothes also mix like juice?
Yes, sometimes.
Okay, whites and lights first.
Put them in the machine.
Like this?
Yes, don't throw up the place gently.
Mom, where is the washing powder?
On the shelf.
Why is everything always on a shelf?
Because shelves keep things safe.
I need tall legs to reach it.
Here, I'll hand it to you.
Thank you. How much should I put?
1 small scoop.
Just one?
Yes. Too much soap makes too much foam.
Foam is fun.
But messy.
Okay, 1 scoop only. Done. Now what?
Close the lid and press start.
Machine, please do magic. Mom, the machine is shaking.
That's normal.
Is it dancing?
Haha, maybe a machine dance.
How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes. That's forever.
Housework takes patience.
Patience again. Mom, laundry is hard.
Yes, but you did great.
Little chef, and little cleaner, and little laundry girl. After all this, I need a holiday.
Watering the garden.
Mom, what should I do now?
Go water the plants in the garden.
Yes, Gardener Lina is ready. Mom, where is the watering can?
Near the back door.
I see it, but it's empty.
Fill it with water.
Okay, I will use a tap. Mom, why is the watering can so heavy after water?
Because water has weight.
Water is strong. Mom, should I water all plants?
Yes, but not too much water.
Why not too much?
Too much water hurts the roots.
Oh, plants also don't like extra water. Mom, this flower looks sad.
It needs water and sunlight.
Don't worry, little flower. I got you. Mom, can plants hear me?
Maybe not here, but they feel care.
I will be the best plant friend. Mom, this soil is very dry.
Then give more water here.
Okay, drink well, soil. Mom, what is this tiny plant?
It's a baby plant.
Ah, baby plant, cute. Mom, why do plants need sunlight?
Sunlight gives energy to grow.
Like food for plants?
Yes, sunlight plus water equals a healthy plant.
Mom, watering is fun.
Yes, gardens make us calm.
I am calm and tired. I finished watering all the plants.
Good job, the garden looks fresh.
Mom, am I a real gardener now?
Yes, you are our little gardener.
Chef, cleaner, laundry girl, and gardener. I need a salary now.
Haha, your salary is ice cream.
Wow, best salary ever.
The tired little Lina.
Mom, I am so tired.
Of course, you worked a lot today.
Cooking, sweeping, mopping, laundry, garden, everything is hard.
Yes, daily work is not easy.
Mom, how do you do this every day?
Slowly, patiently, and with love.
My legs hurt. My hands hurt. Even my head is sleepy.
That means you worked honestly.
Mom, today I learned something big.
What did you learn, dear?
Your job is not simple. You do so much every day.
Yes, dear. Mothers work hard.
And still, you smile.
Because I love my family.
Mom, thank you for taking care of me every day.
And thank you for helping me today.
I wanted to help, but it was very tiring.
That is why moms get tired too.
From today, I will help you every day. Mom, can I rest now?
Yes, come here.
Mom, I love you.
I love you too, Lina.
And tomorrow, Chef Lina is closed.
Okay, we will open again next week.
Deal. Thank you for watching my story. Today, I tried to help my mom with cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and watering the garden. I thought it would be simple, but it was really hard. I felt tired and sleepy, and my legs were hurting. Then I understood something. Moms do so much work every single day, and they still smile and take care of us. From now on, I will help my mom more often. And for all English learners watching this video, keep practicing small, simple sentences every day. You will improve slowly and confidently. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Beginner English Zone for more cute English stories and conversations. If you have any doubts, or if you want a new topic, comment below. See you in the next video.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.